Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video. And today is a good day. The weekend is here. Welcome to another view into Huck's world. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Now, the reason I said today is a good day because I'm off the full weekend. That's right, Saturday through Monday. I can't wait to get out there and enjoy some 90-degree weather, have some fun, eat some Q, and just relax. All right, you all, listen, let's get this weekend started with this review. Now, the name of the watch face is called Tactwo Tactical. It is a Facer watch face. If I'm not mistaken, you do need to download the Facer app out of not the Gear Manager store, but the Google Play Store. It is free, and you can download this watch face for free as well, and it is worth the download. Now, let's take a look at this watch face. Now, in always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look. Once it's on, I'm really liking the animation of the heart rate. I thought that was pretty cool. You get the weather. It tells you what kind of day it is outside, clear sky. And if it's raining, it should tell me that it's raining. You also get your steps. Be with that number right there that says 0. I haven't been anywhere yet. And you get your digital time with the day and the date. So I thought this was a cool looking watch face to review, especially being free in the Gear Manager store. And it is interactive. If I tap there, I could get my calendar. If I tap right here, I could get my, of course, calorie information, steps. And if I tap here, I can get my weather. Come on. There you go. And it gives you a haptic feedback too. I thought that was pretty different. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this review. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. If it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. Enjoy your weekend. Be safe and have some fun. All right, you all, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Make sure you hit the like button on the way out. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you all at the next one. Take care.